Okay, so when we see here splicing, with the help of splicing, the introns are been removed and only the exons are been remain, and this messenger RNA then comes in the cytoplasm, and that ends the process of transcription. So after that process of end of the transcription, we were talking about the कोड्स कोडॉन्स, फिर हमने कोड्स की बात की कि जेनेटिक कोड इज ऑफ ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म एंड देर आर 20 टाइप्स ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड्स विच आर बीन कोड बाय दिस सर्टेन कोडॉन्स. ये कोडॉन कोड्स की डिक्शनरी है जेनेटिक कोड की. ओके, so this U means uracil. It is been replaced in RNA on the place of thymine from the DNA. So during the transcription, what happens? The T is been replaced and messenger RNA जब thymine का replacement uracil से होगा, then we were talking about the what are various certain characteristics of genetic code. They are having fundamental code. They are triplet in the form. Sequence of 3 consecutive base pair constitute to form a code, and that which specify a particular type of the amino acid. It will always run in 5' to 3' direction. This is most important in every living organism. Genetic code is in triplet form, चाहे वो बैक्टीरिया हो, चाहे वो प्लांट हो, चाहे वो कोई एनिमल हो, whatever it may, human beings हो. Then genetic code has distinct polarity. It will always carry it out from 5' to 3' direction and not in the 3' to 5' direction. This is nothing but the polarity. Okay. जेनेटिक कोड इज नॉन ओवरलैपिंग. देन जेनेटिक कोड इज कॉमालेस, यानी देखो यहाँ पे ए यू जी यू सी जी ए सी जी सी सी यू ए, इसमें कोई फुल स्टॉप एपोस्ट्रोफी एस कॉमा विमा कुछ नहीं है. ओके. genetic code has degeneracy, means number of the codes can be responsible for number of the various certain amino acids. Then genetic code is universal, यानी always the codes will be carried out in same or similar, यानी AUG will specify for methionine in all the organisms from bacteria to humans. Then genetic code is non-ambiguous. So all these points which we have been talking about, and then we come towards the process of translation. So today in online session we are going to discuss about the process of translation. Central dogma of genetics की अगर हम बात करते हैं, okay, when we talk about the central dogma, likewise we have seen here कि हाँ, molecular genetics में from DNA to trait. You know trait? What is trait? Yes, anybody? Trait. Yes, trait बोलो. This is not new word for you. मेंडल से लेके हम ट्रेट की बात करते आ रहे हैं. Yes. Is anybody going to answer the question? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Hello. You are getting the screen? Hello. You are getting the screen. मेरा आवाज आ रहा है आपको?
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
मग कोणी बोलत का नहीं है? You have to speak. आप बोलेंगे तो फिर मैं बोलूंगा. You have to speak. You have to give the answer. What is trait? DNA to trait. Yogesh,
Yes sir.
what is meant by trait? Alleles, traits. ये पढ़ा नहीं क्या कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजी जेनेटिक्स? व्हाट आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन, जेनेटिक्स में जेनेटिक टर्मिनोलॉजी इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. फिनोटाइप, जीनोटाइप, होमोजाइगस, हेटेरोजाइगस, ट्रेट, अलील्स. व्हाट इज द ट्रेट?
Sir, a special type of quality.
कैरेक्टर, क्वालिटी. वेरी गुड. सो डीएनए टू ट्रेट, यानी डीएनए से एक कैरेक्टर या क्वालिटी या particular what we can say the trait or that is been carried out, and we are talking about the central dogma. सेंट्रल डोग्मा ऑफ जेनेटिक्स में हमने देखा कि डीएनए, डीएनए से आरएनए, आरएनए से प्रोटीन, एंड फ्रॉम द प्रोटीन इट्स अ ट्रेट। समझ में आया? एवरीबॉडी विल स्पीक यस
Yes,
यस।
sir.
Yes, sir.
सभी जो ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंट है, आई एम
Yes, sir.
सीइंग हियर,
Yes, sir.
दिखाई दे रहा है, सभी प्रेजेंट भी
Yes,
हैं।
sir.
सो सेंट्रल डोग्मा ऑफ जेनेटिक्स में हमने ये व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड दिस चैप्टर दैट टाइम वी हैव बीन डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस कि डीएनए से आरएनए बनता है, आरएनए से प्रोटीन बनेगा, प्रोटीन अप वन पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन विल फॉर्म अ वन पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर और अ ट्रेट। ओके, नाउ सी इन दिस फिगर, दिस इज डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल। ये कहाँ पे है डीएनए? ये बाउंड्री क्या है? दिस इज अ सेल स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल सेल स्ट्रक्चर का हम एक we are seeing this PPT as one of the explanation to understand the formation of DNA to RNA to protein to trait. See, this is DNA molecule. From the DNA molecule, with the help of transcription, formation of messenger RNA is given up. Messenger RNA कहाँ से निकल रहा है? Very basic question. Messenger RNA codes from the DNA template and comes out from this part. What is this part? Gaurav? Yes, Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है?
Nucleus.
Very
Nuclear
good,
membrane.
very good, very good. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन से ये न्यूक्लियर पोर से मैसेंजर आरएनए आएगा साइटोप्लाज्म में। हियर द मैसेंजर आरएनए विल have the invasion with the ribosomes and the transfer RNA, the tRNA. यहाँ पे राइबोसोमल आरएनए एंड tRNA का मैसेंजर आरएनए के ऊपर प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन होगा and the protein is being given out. The protein or one of the particular character or the trait. Okay. So this is transcription, the RNA processing, the translation. Okay. Next, when we see likewise the process goes on. Now when we talk about the transcription, it is one of the key step in the gene expression. From the DNA, messenger RNA is being carried out with the help of transcription, and transcription makes an RNA copy of a DNA molecule. If we talk about the RNA comparison, अगर हम करते हैं RNA and DNA का, तो RNA is a single stranded molecule, DNA is a double stranded molecule. RNA is a nucleic acid polymer that uses a slightly different sugar than the DNA, and the base pair uracil is been replaced by thymine in RNA. ये उसका chemistry हो गया। आगे See here the single stranded RNA comparison of RNA and the DNA 3-dimensional structure अगर हम देखते हैं with this PPT, you can take this PPT, what is it, क्या करते उसको, क्या बोलते उसको, screenshot. You can take this screenshot to understand. So comparison of RNA and DNA 3-dimensional structure. See online में ही आपको ये screenshots वगैरह मिलेंगे. I am not given any particular बाद में कुछ मैसेज हम ग्रुप में कुछ शेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो ये ऑनलाइन ही आपको मिलेगा. So sugar phosphate molecule, here the bases cytosine, guanine, adenine and uracil is present in RNA and thymine is present in DNA. Next, आगे. This is again the chemistry. So this is a bit of simplification as RNA forms base pairs within a single strand, but RNA is not double helical over the entire molecule. So there are different RNAs with the distinct functions. Which are the various different RNAs that we'll go and see. Okay, so type of RNA में हमने 11th में पढ़ा है बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में मैसेंजर RNA. Its function is it migrates from the nucleus to ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Function क्या है? Carries DNA sequence information to ribosomes. You are getting the screen? आपको PPT दिखाई दे
Yes,
रहा है
sir.
सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So type of RNA में अगर हम देखते हैं तो messenger RNA encodes the message from DNA molecule and comes in the cytoplasm. उसका function and functions in. So function is carries DNA sequence information to ribosomes and it functions in cytoplasm, migrates to ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein factories which are present in the cytoplasm. Then tRNA, आज हम इसकी बात करने वाले हैं, tRNA in the translation which play the important role. It functions in cytoplasm. It provides the linkage between mRNA and amino acids, transfers amino acids to ribosome. Linkage means it connects with the messenger RNA on the ribosome at a particular site with having the 3 anticodons. यानी मैसेंजर आरएनए में अगर AUG है तो इसके एंटीकोडॉन क्या हो गए, क्वेश्चन मार्क, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड. एक एक्टिविटी जो हमारे बुक में दी है 82 पेज नंबर, इट इज बीन गिवन अप. सो एंटीकोडॉन्स tRNA लेके आएगा, and ribosomal RNA is a type of RNA which also functions in cytoplasm and it is the structural component of ribosome. With the help of ribosomes only the process of protein synthesis can be carried out. Next आगे जाएंगे. So recently a new class of RNA, this is the recent microRNA has been shown to regulate gene expression. Okay, transcription हमने देखा. What is transcription में हमने process देखा. The DNA molecule, then the various certain enzymes, RNA polymerase, then the RNA polymerase goes and forms the RNA molecules. Here this is the DNA template molecule. Guanine will always unite with cytosine and guanine will always unite with cytosine. तो ये देखो, ये इससे आप एंटीकोडॉन निकाल सकते हो कि अगर ये आरएनए के ऊपर CGU अगर ये कोड्स है UCAU, that is mean where adenine always bonds with thymine, but we know in RNA thymine is not been present, it is replaced with uracil, remember there. Next, so the enzyme RNA polymerase opens the DNA strands and synthesizes an RNA complementary to only one of the DNA strands. So RNA polymerase acting और फिर वो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस यहाँ पे चलती है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरएनए होता है. The decision to transcribe a gene is the most important step in the control of gene expression. यहाँ से आगे process of RNA formation होगी. Next, transcription starts and stops at a distinct sites of ends of the gene by various certain start and stop codon. So this is what we call a segment of the gene, and then that is been coded in the form of RNA, that we say the transcription. उसको हम transcription बोलेंगे. Next. Here then we know in eukaryotic the exon and introns are being present. Primary transcription से जो messenger RNA बनता है तो introns are being removed with the enzyme and that cut out the introns and only the messenger RNA is being form of exons. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Removal of this introns will be said to be as splicing. Next, genes are made up of parts of represented in mRNA exons and the parts that transcript but not present in mRNA introns. Okay. Introns are removed from the primary transcript and exons are spliced together to make RNA. Hello. So in some genes, more than 90% of pre-mRNA is destroyed, never to appear in the mRNA. Next. Now here, alternative splicing can be given up, and here this is the triplet codes. Genetic language हमने समझ ली कि it uses 4 letters with written into 3 letter words. Transcription से here DNA से messenger RNA, these are the codes, codon, which are in triplet form A, C, U, U, G, G, U, C, A, C, G, U, and which codes for after the translation, which codes for the particular amino acid, thrombin, trypsin, serine, arginine, and ये एक chain बनेगी that will form a protein or a trait or a character or a quality. Okay. Next. See, these are the abbreviations which are being utilized. amino acids की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये केमिस्ट्री आपको हमें नहीं समझनी है, सिर्फ वी हैव टू सी alanine, ALA, arginine, इसका भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट रख सकते हो. एक arginine, asparagine, these are the 20 types of the amino acids in I think 11th book it has been given up. methionine, उसका abbreviations क्या है? ALA, ARG, ASS, what is this? ये प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल, ये अमीनो एसिड्स का चेन एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल एक ट्रेट बनाएगा. सो अमीनो एसिड्स व्हाट द जेनेटिक कोड स्पेसिफाइज, डू नॉट कंफ्यूज. Now what is translation? In the translation, information present in the mRNA is read by the ribosome to synthesize a polypeptide chain with the help of tRNA. The sequence of amino acid determines the structure and therefore the function of a protein. See here, ये मैसेंजर आरएनए है, ये tRNA है. So we have to learn about the tRNA also. It is the adapter molecule. So scientists consider that there has to be a mechanism in which tRNA will read the codon and also simultaneously binds with the amino acid, as amino acid does not have any special capacity to read the codon. So tRNA is considered as an adapter molecule, and this role of tRNA was understood much later. See the figure 4.14 in our the textbook. The adapter molecule बिल्कुल वही. This pink color, this is the ribosome, ribosomes. Okay, ऊपर और नीचे, और उसमें टनल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होके मैसेंजर आरएनए का कोडिंग चल रहा है. ये tRNA which is present in the cytoplasm as a raw material. यहाँ पे जो कोड है उसका एंटी कोडॉन लेके यहाँ पे ये आएगा इस साइट में, एडाप्टर मॉलिक्यूल में यहाँ पे वो दिया जाएगा. नाउ दिस tRNA इज सीन टू बी एज अ क्लोवर लीफ स्ट्रक्चर. क्लोवर लीफ यानी क्लो, यानी क्लो, CLOVE. व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्लो? लवंग, माझा आवाज येतोय का तुम्हाला?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यू ऑल्सो स्पीक आउट. मैं बोलते रहूंगा तो फिर एजुकेशन, नॉलेज, इंटरेक्शन, इफ यू आर हैविंग द इंटरेक्शन विद मी देन ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस सेशन. ऑनलाइन सेशन एक नॉलेजेबल सेशन हो सकेगा जब आप भी इंटरेक्शन करोगे. पता नहीं मेरे को आप इंटरेक्शन क्यों नहीं करते. शर्माते हैं क्या? शर्म आती है? मोबाइल में कैसे बोले सर? ऐसा कुछ है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? You have to interact. Next, see here, it's a clover leaf structure. अगर हम देखते हैं तो tRNA two-dimensional structure possess an anticodon. This is anticodon site. ये anticodon है loop that has bases complementary to the codon and it is called as anticodon, and it shows the amino acid acceptor end at the 3' end. ये भी 5' इस तरीके से सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड है तो ये 3' ऐसा हो गया ना उसका पोलैरिटी. So for every amino acid there is a specific tRNA. So initiator tRNA is specific for methionine. AUG we know it's codes for methionine or it's a start codon, and stop codon कितने हैं? 3 हैं. कौन कौन से हैं बताइएगा मुझे. So here the process of translation begins. Translation requires ribosomes, mRNA and the tRNA with the anticodons. And that will that forms the amino acids. So many next, so tRNA is an adapter that couples codons and amino acids. Here ये उसका clover leaf structure. ये 3D shape of tRNA and this is the two-dimensional structure which has been given up. यहाँ पे ये anticodon है GCU which will, यहाँ पे ये कोड है CGA. तो C will always bound with G, G will always bound with C and A will always bound with U. So anticodon ये बन जाएगा उसका, ये बन जाएगा उसका anticodon. किसका? इसका. So the messenger attachment site is being given up. Here we are understanding the process of translation. Next, we have seen this, the genetic biology which has been given up. So ribosomes are complicated protein synthesizing machines. See here, protein synthesizing, यहाँ से ribosomes ये ribosomal RNA है, यहाँ पे tRNA है, and the here the protein molecule chain is been formed. One particular protein molecule chain will responsible for a particular trait or the character. So translation is a cyclic multi-step process. धनाधन यहाँ पे देखो, see here, AUG UAC codes on methionine. Here methionine आने के बाद दूसरा कोड होगा वो लेके आएगा start codon, and it will continue up to the process of stop codon. So this site is said to be as EPA site, and this EPA site is said to be as the adapter site of tRNA. Okay. Next, in the book it has been given up. Can you tell tRNA is called as adapter molecule? Can you recall different types of RNAs? Name the site of protein synthesis, etc., etc. Number of the questions are being framed. Look out. See, this is the complete structure or the PPT which are essential or which are known for the process of translation. Now, basic genetics की अगर हम बात करते हैं, as we know, the storage of genetic information is in DNA, and the use of an RNA intermediate that is read in 3-letter words and the mechanism of protein synthesis are essential in the same in all the organism. This is all the basic genetic mechanisms which are universal. Among other things, this means cancer can be ये नहीं लेना है हमें आगे. Putting it all together, the fundamental question of genetics जो आपके मन में होगा क्या होगा? What is the relation between gene and traits? कौन बताएगा? What is the relationship between genes and the traits? क्या है इसमें? Yes, anybody? Genes क्या है? Traits क्या है? What is the difference? ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है ना, putting it all together. Yes, Guru, Yogesh, Sandeep, Ankita, Sharayu, and Mukesh. बहुत सारे हैं. Yes, anybody? No doubt, I'm going to answer it. लेकिन if you have read out, if you are carried the study, or if you are carrying the study, then you will have the difference. हमने अभी तक 2 चैप्टर molecular के पहले हमने principles of inheritance, what is that we have seen. What is the relationship between genes and traits? Yes. बोलिए. Download the attendance list. We have downloaded the attendance list. Devadatt, Sharayu, Mukesh, मानसी. क्या सवाल था मेरा? दर्पण. What was my question? Once again, we will go for that question. What is the relationship between genes and traits? Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, genes is a segment of DNA.
Very good. And trait?
And sir, the trait is the physical characters which we can see.
Phenotype.
Such
Very
as
good. Very
phenotype.
good. Physical character. Yes, that's what we want. And putting all together, हम इसी की तरफ जाना चाह रहे हैं कि what is that? The fundamental question of genetics. What is the relation between the genes and the traits? The answer goes here कि genes, the protein and the trait. यानी जीन इट इज अ सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन से आरएनए मैसेंजर आरएनए बनाएगा. मैसेंजर आरएनए, टीआरएनए, राइबोसोमल आरएनए साइटोप्लाज्म में उसका एक प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल बनाएंगे. पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल का एक ट्रेट बनेगा. देयर traits means a particular phenotypical character, genotypical character. What is that? Okay, so this is all about what we can say today's explanation what we are talking about. अब हम we will go and see this process of translation with the help of video. Okay, and then we will stop here. चलेगा? ये सारा explanation हम वीडियो के माध्यम से देखेंगे. You are getting the screen? And we will end here. Online session हमारे यहाँ पे end हम करेंगे. ठीक है? You are getting the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, now the translation process begins.
Yes, sir.
What is translation? See here.
Yes, sir.
So it's a synthesis of a protein from an mRNA template, and this process involves several key molecules. What we were talking about, the messenger RNA, the ribosomes, large and small units, the transfer RNA, adapter molecule, and the release factor that is GPP. So stages of translation में initiation, elongation and termination ये word हमें पता है. So guanosine triphosphate will carried out from 5' to 3' direction in the eukaryotic mRNA. What we talk about here, this RNA which contains the various certain codes, a poly A tail, adenine का tail यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है हमें सामने in the video. We are going to understand the process of translation. the messenger RNA codons which are being present up, methylated cat will be carried out. Small ribosomal ribosomes will be arranged on that messenger RNA that will be initiation site, and this is the tRNA, which will have the anticodon. UAC is anticodon to AUG, which is a start codon we know. So messenger RNA start codon is AUG start codon, which codes for methionine. Remember, this is most important. Name the start codon, one mark question. Or name the initiation polypeptide protein protein molecule or amino acid, methionine. So anticodon यहाँ पे tRNA लेके आएगा और फिर the process of translation goes on begins with the start codon till it will continue. यहाँ पे this is methionine till it will be continued जब तक stop codon नहीं आ जाता. So stop codons are UAA, UAG and UGA. So likewise the process of protein synthesis will start. Transcription के बाद the translation, we are talking about the translation. Now we are talking about the translation. So here after the starting, the another tRNA with anticodon which will be brought up, and the chain of polypeptide chain formation will be given up. यहाँ पे ये tRNA का काम समाप्त. Next tRNA. Now here likewise the polypeptide chain formation चलते जाएगा. We are talking about translation, I repeat. See here. So this is animated video to understand the translation process. So this goes on elongation, isn't? Likewise, ये कब तक चलते रहेगा? जब तक यहाँ पे stop codon या nonsense codon या the codes which are doesn't code for any amino acid that will arise. That is AE, UAGC. Now UAG is the stop codon as well as UAE is also stop codon as well as UGA is also stop codon. Then the process of transcription or translation will be terminate. That is said to be as termination, isn't it? ये polypeptide chain formation हो गया, which will be a particular protein peptide chain which will responsible for a particular trait or a character. Okay, that's the end of the translation. Okay, so this is a complete process of translation. We stop here. Next we'll discuss in the next period.